Hello, hello. Here we go. There's another package from Amazon. Now that we have a lot of things that's going on and stuff like that, so what might as well just order it already rather than go to the stores. Anyway, so this one is for his Apple Watch Ultra that we just bought. So this one probably day 7. Anyway, so this one is the 12 days of unboxing that we are presenting to you guys. Just two little things, big things and stuff like that. It's not too fancy. It's just the regular things that we have and stuff, whatever. But I hope that it's kind of like giving you a thrill and an excitement for us to have all this stuff that simple things that make us happy and joyful, right? This kind of like season, especially for the season of giving, right? The Christmas. Anyways, no further ado, let's open this and then let's see what it is. And it is this one is the smartwatch case. So we're going to try it on today. This one is not as fancy as you would think because this one is not from Apple and stuff like that, but it is going to do what it needs to be done and to protect, and then yeah, enjoy the best quality. This one is from, I don't know what is this one from, but Soman for Apple Watch Ultra, 49mm PC screen protector case. So this one is a screen protector case. And then we will show you how he will put it all together so that we will have this one. Because of course, the watch is a tad, it's not that, it's not very, very expensive, but it's expensive that we want to protect this as much as we can so that it's not going to be bumped or scratched right away, right? So yeah. So it says here, it's highly responsive, finger point reduction, bubble free. Thickness is 0.33 mm, scratch resistant in HD screen. So here you go, to protect your gadgets and high techs and stuff like that. And then yeah, so that's what we have for today. Hopefully
wet and dry.
Oh, there's two.
Not bad for $11.
11? Oh wow.
It's expensive?
No. But I hope it's really going to protect it. No, you clean this.
Yeah.
So you clean that one first. And then you snap it into it. There's the screen on the front. You're going to take that back. You're going to peel it off. And then you can snap it. And then yeah. I like this because it's not bulky like what I have. And then he's cleaning it right now.
And so how you do?
Pull it.
Remove that?
Yeah. That's it. Don't touch it.
And how I do?
Then,
because I have that.
Yeah, just like that.
I just push.
Yeah, you just snap it. Oh, nice. Oh, much better. It doesn't look like it's bulky like what we have because the Otter box, that's the one that's kind of like too much.
And it's really working well.
Yeah, I like it.
Look.
Oh wow, easy to touch and stuff. That's what it says there anyways. Nice. You like it?
Yeah.
$11. Hey, can't beat that. And then there's another one extra.
It doesn't look.
Hey, hopefully you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Thank you for supporting us and making it's already 2,300 subscribers that we have. Yay! Thank you very much. We love you all, as you know that. And thank you very much for all the support that you have given us. We'll see you again in the next video. Like this video, comment below, subscribe, and sharing and scaring. Share this video to whoever you want to. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.